Elementals, B Theory, IQ.
Greetings and welcome to the show, Balance. Get some in your life. Today, I have another quote for you. It's Friday. Success is the ability to go from failure to failure with the same enthusiasm. Success is the ability to go from failure to failure with the same enthusiasm. This was Winston Churchill. No matter who you are, failure, doubt, and setbacks are going to seep into your life. There's nothing that you can do about this. All you can do is continue to move forward with the same enthusiasm. Don't lose your enthusiasm. You know, it's the magic sauce. You just have to keep moving forward. And if you think that everyone doesn't experience failure and everyone doesn't experience setbacks, just stop it. I beg to differ. All you have to do is think about, or better yet, did you hear Michael Jordan's acceptance speech into the Hall of Fame not too many days ago? But according to him, his life was filled with doubt, inadequacies, and setbacks that he had to consistently overcome again and again. Think about Tiger Woods, who really comes down on himself anytime he doesn't destroy the field by 15 strokes or more. He considers those islands of failure. But you and I, most of us, would kill to have his type of golf game, but he's continuously trying to improve it. The point of all this is that you have total control. It's all up to you. When you haven't squeezed every ounce out of your talents and abilities, you still have to move on to the next task with the same focused enthusiasm that you did for the last, if not more. It's critical to your future. Your success depends on it. This is the formula that you've been looking for. It's your host, Freddie Taylor, here at FreddieTaylor.com, reminding you that success is a formula. It involves enthusiasm. Keep it in your life. It's the magic sauce. But also, all things happen first in the mind, then in reality. Let's go get them.
Follow Mentora, Blue, Elementals, B Theory.